Wholesaling is dead. It's illegal. It's saturated. The market is terrible. This is the lies you have been fed down your throat saying that wholesaling sucks. You're going straight to jail for just wholesaling houses. I've heard it all, but just last month, at 26 years old, I made over $1 million in the wholesaling space. So I would say it's going pretty well for me. I mean, last month, Daniel in Africa made $5,000 on his first wholesaling deal, and he lives in Eswanti, and his income was $142 a month. Fish Money Bands from federal prison has closed over 5 deals this year from behind closed doors in a jail cell. Like, this is him closing real, actual deals, had a cheesecake in his prison cell to celebrate his 5th wholesale deal. Just cold calling on a snuck-in trap phone. Jason Goot in the place that wholesaling is illegal, South Carolina, made over $80,000 in October and closed 2 deals without a real estate license in South Carolina. So wait a second, is everything everyone's been telling you been a lie? Is it just to sell wholesaling coaching programs that are outside of wholesaling, or people trying to sell you new crypto schemes or Amazon FBA stores, or maybe a Novation course? I don't know. All I'm doing is looking within my own community and seeing what's working for me and everybody else. I mean, that's just my wholesaling community. I also own the second most Googled wholesaling software of any paid service, X-Leads. Like, I just popped up Google Trends and compared all the other paid wholesaling softwares you gotta pay per month for, and we're ranked number 2. There's only one above us. And we have over 5,000 paying customers every single month. And I know the internal stats of most of our customers on X-Leads. Guess what? The ones that are sending the most calls and texts, they're making a ton of money wholesaling. I mean, I get customers all the time saying, Zach, I want to call more. I want to text more. Can you increase our limits? Can we pull more data? So I've looked at a portion of 5,000 people inside of X-Leads, my wholesaling software, the best wholesaling software, by the way. I look at the millions of followers that we have on social media, and everybody in my community, everyone using X-Leads, we're all winning. And so what am I seeing from everybody else saying wholesaling sucks and it's terrible? Well, let me tell you what's actually dead in wholesaling. All these old school wholesaling coaches selling their $10,000 or $15,000 wholesaling programs to teach you how to get started, that's dead, okay? If you're a software company and you're just overcharging people, right? Oh, pay me $130 a month and you'll get a list that's not skip traced, you're dead in the water. We're seeing a monumental shift coming into 2026 of the old school in wholesaling just going away and going out of business, and the new school wholesalers that can adapt, that are winning and having success. Because for people like you and I, we're winning massively. Wholesaling real estate is more alive than ever. So let's break down some of the most common myths I've seen in the wholesaling space. And I'm just going to show you the millions of students that I have and the thousands and thousands of software clients that I have on X-Leads, just showing the actual proof of wholesaling real estate coming into 2026. So the first myth that I see is wholesaling real estate's illegal. And homeboy, I've been fed this myth since 2019 that Chicago is illegal to wholesale. Well, one guy I know, Cameron Oliveira, who we're trying to get him on the podcast very, very, very soon, he wholesales real estate in Chicago, and he doesn't have a real estate license, and he said he closed 7 deals last month, maybe the week, but he just double closes and his title company lets him close just like that, and he's making plenty of money. I mean, does this kid look like he's struggling at all? No, and he's making a ton of money wholesaling. So shout out to Cam, he's got a cool YouTube channel. Everybody told me it's illegal to wholesale in South Carolina. Well, Jason doesn't have a license and he's making a lot of money wholesaling in South Carolina. The month that wholesaling was, quote, illegal, I posted on my Instagram and showed you I closed 5 deals in South Carolina the month after it became illegal. And guess who was my accomplice doing this illegally? My closing attorneys, multiple attorneys, like lawyers that are helping me close because it's actually legal. And then lately, everyone said that wholesaling is illegal to cold call in Texas. Now, frankly, I was a little concerned. I'm like, wait, wholesaling's illegal in Texas? What do you mean? Oh, it's the cold calling's illegal. I said, okay, I don't think so. And then I read the law, made a video, said it's not illegal. But guess what? My buddy Maximilian Deer said, you know what? let me actually just stop all the people saying all this and this. He actually called a real lawyer. And guess what? The lawyer said calling is not offering an item. He said, so yeah, you can cold call in Texas. Now, obviously I'm not taking the lawyer's words out of his mouth, but he literally called a lawyer, did a video about it. Like, he's the only guy, when someone talked about the Texas law, to actually call his lawyers up, and they actually told him the facts. So everything you're being fed is just crazy, right? Like, life in wholesaling in 2026 is like the happy and sad bus meme. Right, you got the wholesaling coaches on the one end thinking wholesaling sucks and it's terrible, and you got pretty much everybody getting rich and happy looking on the other side. This is where we're at in 2026, and this has always been the case in wholesaling. People who look at wholesaling as bad, doom and gloom, it sucks, and people are like, well, I'm gonna go out here and get rich and follow the law and become successful. I mean, I can only see it through my lens. I look at wholesaling by doing it legally, making a ton of money. So I think I've shown time and time again, wholesaling real estate is 100% legal. I mean, just in June, we had probably the greatest case law of all time for our X-Leads users and obviously for me in cold calling and texting. But there's been federal case law now showing that cold calling somebody and offering to buy their property for cash is not a DNC violation. And it never has been, but now we have federal case law to protect us. So Eric Trotman did a great article just analyzing, and he's obviously a lawyer, but Coffee versus Fast Cash Offer has shown that offering to buy somebody's house for cash is not a telephone solicitation, does not break DNC law. So call ahead. We're actually facing the greatest time ever to get into wholesaling. I might say this, okay, well, Zach, wholesaling is just too competitive. It's too saturated. And yeah, you're probably right if you're trying to wholesale real estate in Phoenix, Arizona, you're trying to wholesale real estate in Chicago, even though Cam's doing it, New York City, Los Angeles, and you're cold calling on-market sellers and you're trying to pitch subject to down everyone's throats. But if you just stick to wholesaling off-market real estate in non-crazy massive metro markets, you're just gonna win. But yeah, I kind of get where it can get, quote, competitive, right? Because there's so many people, they get X leads, they just pull a high equity list and then they call. This is where you just get niche lists, right? You go out here and government lists, code violations, water shutoffs, fire damage properties. And then you can use software that just outworks your competition. Now, before we get into eye roll land, I'm just gonna show this to see what I do and what our community uses to outwork everybody. So again, I use the software, it's called X Leads. Yes, I'm the owner. Yes, I created it. But because no other wholesaling software wanted to do an all-in-one wholesaling software for under 97 bucks a month. But pretty much what you can do here is you can call, text, have an entire deal board, e-sign, get cheap PPL leads, all this stuff for just one low price. So let me show you how quick it is just to pull a niche list on X Leads that no other wholesaling software has and set up for a calling, texting, and email campaign. So all you do is just go to leads, you choose Tulsa, Oklahoma, you go to filters, you scroll down to deceased probate, the past 30 days. Now you got all the probate data we're gonna pull right here, just 95. And with X Leads, you get 25,000 skip traces included for free for only 97 bucks. Make sure no other wholesaling software sees it because they get kind of ticked off when they include that. If you just wanna look, like this property right here, the probate's right here, the deceased property, the surviving heir, all their info, all skip traced right here included. So you just take the leads, you download the list, you include lead trace, you export it, throw it into contacts, tag it on the power dialer, and boom, it's ready to be called. You can throw the triple tap system, or you can give them a text, a call, and an email, and even a voicemail if you want to go nuts. And you can have a crazy follow-up auto drip campaign. Because using X Leads, you can just pull a list and auto follow up with them, auto call them, use the triple line dialer we have on X Leads, and text them like crazy. And if you're really lazy, you just go to the PPL tab, and you can get iSpeed lead leads for under $24 a lead, only for active X Leads users. Just FYI, that does go away the end of October. So yes, I use X Leads as a CRM for my company, all the data, the comping, skip tracing, everything. Also includes e-signing. And not to brag, it is the second most Googled wholesaling software for a paid software ever. Because I don't include free ones, because like that's Zillow's considered a free wholesaling software, right? So like an actual like wholesaling software you got to pay for, X Leads is the second most Googled one because everybody is canceling their old softwares and getting X Leads because it actually works. All those people that we see in our testimonials, they're all using X Leads. So if you want to check it out, just go to xleads.com. But that's not the point of the video. The point is you can just use that software and have an insane advantage over anybody else using their old, stupid, outdated softwares. I mean, think about it. If you use another wholesaling software to do texting, which X Leads has texting included, it will probably cost you $600 to go out here and send 20,000 texts. But on X Leads, it will probably cost you $200 to send 20,000 texts. That's just why X Leads is the best. Now, the other myth I get is, okay, Zach, well, I got no cash. I got no money like you. I got no motion. I got no drip. And I get it. Not everyone's got the sick life of Zach Ginn out here. Well, if you're broke like me starting out, if you just join my free wholesaling community, freewholesaling.com right here, go to the classroom section, go to the marketing section, I will legitimately provide you free government provided lists for free. The code violations, probates, pre-foreclosures, tax delinquencies, the liens, all for free, right? You see anywhere with a red dot on here, okay? I have a government list there. The spreadsheets of how to get all the data set is right there for you to boom right there. So if you want to get the code violations in Syracuse, like it's right there, all organized perfectly for you. Now you might be like, well, Zach, I can't pay X Leads to have my 25,000 free skips. Guess what? There's a special website called cyberbackgroundchecks.com. You'll get all the phone numbers, skip trace for free. Now it's a little more manual, but honestly, it's completely for free. And then the worst one is, well, wholesaling doesn't work. You're too young. I get that you get rich, but what you teach doesn't work. Well, I mean, I can just show all these dang checks every single dang day that people post in my free community. It is just so annoying. It's just money, 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 money. And these people pay me $0, okay? Click, 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 like it's all there. So if you are sick of being fed lies that wholesaling doesn't work, join the side of the people actually looking wholesaling a positive way, doing everything ethically, legally, and making a stupid amount of money. If you want us to get started, make sure you join my free real estate wholesaling community, freewholesaling.com. And I'm telling everybody, wholesaling real estate is alive and better than ever. If you're ready to get started wholesaling real estate, do me a favor. Make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. This is Zach Ginn signing out. Have a blessed one.